herzlich willkommen zurück. Ich starte gerade da rein, weil es mitten im Gespräch, wir haben gerade den Diddle-Dumm und Diddle-Dee verwünscht und einer von diesen beiden und er hat gemeint, wir seien auf der gleichen Seite. Also ich muss mich konzentrieren, um die richtigen Antworten zu verwünschen und schauen, wie es weitergeht.
What? Why did you run?
Fuck, man! Because you chased after me. The fuck was I supposed to do?
Ja.
A man's dead.
I know how it looks, but I had nothing to do with that.
Ja.
Bullshit. You're covered in blood.
Look, I was just asking him about the girl, that's all. When I mentioned her being dead, he freaked out. I figured someone had told him. How was I supposed to know? Shit. Fucker shot himself right in front of me.
Oh,
I couldn't
shit.
stop him, man.
Wirklich? Wieso flüchtest du immer noch?
You're looking for the Woodsman, right? I know where he is. My guy says he's holed up at the trip trap. We can go over there right now, the both of us. My employer's looking to ask him a few questions too.
Wer ist die Boss?
Who's your employer?
I can't tell you that. It's confidential. Sorry. Sure you understand.
Nope, eigentlich nicht.
Can't say that I do.
Yeah,
Come on.
that's cool.
You're coming with me.
This could have been easy.
Oh, don't worry. It still is.
Ah, ist
Come on.
legendary.
Dumb.
Dumb? Yeah, it is. Look, it'd be much easier
Die-
for you
no.
to...
Wo ist er?
I'm D.
Dumb
He's
ist-
dumb.
Ich hab's gedacht. Come on, das ist so... Das war echt blöd gewesen vom Wolf. Shit. Hätten sollen schlagen.
Except you're lying in a dirty alley
Yep,
with an open wound on the back of your head.
yep.
Wo sind sie hin?
Where'd they go?
Well, after the one guy hit you and the other one finished kicking you,
Explains the ribs.
then they jumped into a car and drove off.
Sind wir
Come on,
Mafiosi?
get up. Guess we're out of options.
You mentioned the trip trap.
Then that's where we'll go. I'll call a cab.
Panic in the Parlors. Parlors. Okay, weißt du, was heißt?
Every time I think I'm getting a handle on what's going on, things just get more complicated. It feels like we're always a step behind.
The Woodsman is the only lead we've got, and he was one of the last people to see Faith alive. Getting some answers out of him will start to clear things up.
Ich weiß nicht.
I hope you're right. Bigby? Be honest with me. Who do you think did
Oh, fuck. Keine Ahnung.
I know it's still early, but I just feel a step behind.
Da
It's an
ist der
uncomfortable feeling.
Bluebeard.
We haven't talked to him yet, but
Tell me.
Keine Ahnung, wieso.
I don't think anything would surprise me at this point.
I feel like Bluebeard has something to do with this.
Er ist der
I have the
Größte.
same suspicion.
I don't know how or why just yet, but if you're asking, this is his M.O. There's still a lot of questions. We find the Woodsman, figure out what he knows, and go from there.
Eben, ich habe das
Makes
Gefühl,
sense.
das ist etwas
That's
Höheres.
probably the best approach.
Es muss sein, es ist ein Game, oder? Und ich bin die Hauptrolle, es muss etwas Höheres sein. Danke für die Hilfe.
Thanks
I
for
wish
you.
there was.
Oh, cute.
Sorry.
Go ahead.
Go ahead. I didn't mean to cut you off.
No, it's
Come on.
nothing. I just. Seeing all this today, there are fables that are struggling worse than I'd imagined. We pay so much attention to the residents of the woodlands. You forget there's a whole community out there to serve. To have to turn to prostitution. I wish there was more we could do. This isn't how I thought it would be. But Crane runs things his own way.
Crane is het probleem.
Crane is the one to blame here, not you.
Obviously, you don't know what I do all day. Right now, I'm the gatekeeper, making sure none of these disenfranchised folks are, as he puts it, wasting his time. I'm more to blame than anyone.
You'll fix it.
Sie soll es überhaupt werden. Sie ist cool, glaub für das.
I don't know. It's just a broken system. The fables who walk in through the back door like Bluebeard, we have all the time in the world for them. You try and come in through the front door, through the proper channels, asking for anything, needing help. Well, I turn you away.
Eben die Reichen und
Now
so
things
kommen
are
überall
worse
durch,
off
so ein
than
bisschen
they've ever been.
die oft und den richtigen Weg probieren, wenn sie
Well, that's
rausgehen.
not
Irgendwie
true.
so.
Right. We've had it worse, but not by much. Maybe this isn't for me. I thought public service was pure.
Bleib
You
dran.
should stick it out. There are fables that would give up a lot to be in the position you're in, and I think it's easier to change something from the inside.
You're telling me change comes from within.
Sure.
Not the advice I imagined hearing from you.
Ich
I'm
bin
full
Wolf
of
gewesen.
surprises.
Ja. Trip Trap. Okay.
Maybe you should handle this one.
Yeah. Maybe I should.
Bye.
Bigby. Just be careful,
Oh,
please.
sure. You
Same goes for you.
I will.
Alright. Aber die anderen eben, wo jetzt sind ja beide wahrscheinlich auch da, oder was läuft? Ich weiß es nicht. Der Trip Trap Bar. Was hat das mit dem Merlin zu tun? Das kommt mir eben auch bekannt vor. Mir kommt nur Chip Chap in den Sinn. Die sind es nicht. Die heißen doch nicht. Die heißen anders. Die heißen Chip und Dale manchmal. Ja. Wer bist du?
What do you want, Sheriff?
Ich schaue für den Woodsman.
I'm looking for the Woodsman.
Well, he's not here. So I guess you can go now.
Hey, noch ein paar Fragen und
Look,
so.
I'm not even gonna ask where he is now, okay? I just want to know the last time he was here. That's all.
Who?
I'm being nice. So try again.
He hasn't been here for a few weeks.
Was hat mich der andere angeschaut?
No, maybe. I don't know. But yeah, he hasn't been here in a while, if he's been here at all, which... I don't know.
Wieso sind ihr alle so verschlossen, Mann?
Don't let him tell you what to do. You're your own woman.
Well, this is me talking big.
Als der links, weißt du,
Fuck off.
hat ihr so Sachen gegeben. So Zeichen und so. Also, jo, gehen wir alle zu dem.
Come on. Have you seen the Woodsman around?
I don't know who that is.
Big guy, beard, flannel, kind of a shitbag. Hard to miss. You sure you don't know him? How about
Drink.
I buy you a drink?
How about you keep your drink and piss off?
Ah, come on. Hat doch nur nett sein. Was haben wir da? Dracheneier.
Let me solve the mystery for you. They're pickled eggs.
Oh, I know what they are. I'm just trying to figure out why anyone would eat this.
Was haben wir da noch Schönes? Huffpuff. Huffpuff, hat er das nicht im Kühlschrank gehabt? Hat er Ziggis im Kühlschrank? Willst du mich verarschen?
Damn.
Kein Cash für Ziggis.
You guys playing right now?
Woodsman.
Nah.
Aha. Ist sie Gretel? Und er ist der Hänsel. Willst du mich verarschen? Sind das Hänsel und Gretel? Ja, bestimmt. Schau jetzt, bestimmt. Ich bin mir so sicher. Schauen wir das
If
mal
you're not
an.
playing, and you don't mind if I,
Okay, ja, sie sind eindeutig das dritte am Spielen gewesen. Der WD Woodsman. Ja.
H? Well, that'd be you, Holly.
Holly.
So,
Holly.
who's WD?
No
Shit.
idea.
Because it's
Holly.
also the first letter in the name.
Woodsman. Yeah, I get it.
Aha, there is a picture of him. Where was that picture? Ist das da drauf gewesen, in dem Fall? Ah, who's that? Look mal das an.
He a regular?
I don't know who you're talking about.
The one with the bald head and the beard.
Never seen him.
Der auf dem Foto. Aha.
Whose is that?
Someone who left.
Wieso hast du nicht
Why didn't you
weggelernt?
dump it?
If you want a cleaner place, feel free to get the fuck out of here.
Ich kann gut Schläge halten.
I'm
Bleib mal
sensing a very
lässig.
hostile tone from you. Don't deny it. I'm good at picking up on this stuff.
Was haben wir da noch? Bar and Restaurant.
A lot of these walk out the door?
Yeah, it's called advertising.
You get a refund?
Scheiße,
Fuck
wieso
you.
haben wir nicht ihre
The
Feuer
word's
gegeben? Dann
getting
hätten wir
out.
es jetzt noch. Alright, chillen wir es mal ein bisschen her.
A lot of stools in this place.
Nur einen neben dir.
But there's only one right next to you.
You gonna order something? Or you just here to bother my customers?
Holly. Ist Holly wirklich Frau Holly?
You know what I mean.
Give me a Midas gold.
Genau.
You want a line?
Sure.
Sure.
I think they have some at the bar down the street.
Think that's funny?
Yep. Think it's fucking hilarious.
It was all right.
Ah, voll. Helf mir und ich helfe ihm. Nein, warte, ich
This
komme.
is fun. This back and forth. We should really do it more often. But
Jetzt will ich langsam
I'm
wieder
starting
holen.
to lose my patience.
Oh! Wait. Wait. Was hat er wieder gesagt, Mann? Well,
Oh, you're out of paper towels in
hello, Woodsman. We have to talk. Well, look at this.
Saved your beer for you. Holly wanted to clear it, but I said no. He'll be back. Now here you are.
You and me been going at it for hundreds of years. I'm through fighting.
Ich will auch nicht mehr. Makes two of us.
Well, Woody, that makes two of us. You're in luck. I decided to switch seats.
Hey. Just want to talk.
I just want to talk. This doesn't have to go like this.
I know you.
Maybe he don't want to talk to you.
Why don't we let him tell me that?
Okay, Grant.
Grand. Sorry. Ich weiss. Mich nimmt jetzt einfach wunder, wer... Ah, wir haben sie noch nicht. Sorry. Psst. Grand and holy.
It's funny. Just a minute ago, no one seemed to know who you were.
Yeah, well,
Ja, ist logisch.
everyone knows you. Big bad wolf. Well, I'm the bad guy and you're a sheriff. Kind of fucking world is that, huh?
Come on, Woody. You know why I'm here.
Ich will nicht gerade offen
You
sagen,
wanna
dass ich
know
das
what
Gefühl
happened?
habe. Ja,
Amongst
voll.
other things, sure.
It's funny. The shit you're willing to do for money. I'd walk past her place for weeks. She didn't look like it. She had money.
Aha.
I was sure of it. She wouldn't put up any kind of fight.
Okay.
I was gonna rob her.
Er hat die
And then
Faith
I'd finally
ausrauben.
get up the nerve to do it. There you are, fucking things up for me. You were just in the wrong place at the wrong time.
Also,
So, you were planning on
ist das ihres
robbing her?
Zuhause
Yeah,
gewesen?
her and her grandma.
Grandma? Wait, what are you talking about?
Hä?
Red Riding Hood, her grandmother. I was there to rob them. But when I showed up, you were already there.
Ah, was?
I only saved her because I thought she might give me a
Oh shit,
reward.
er ist...
She didn't give me shit. Except a bunch of people thinking I'm something I ain't. I played along as I could.
Alter, das habe ich gar nicht wissen. Er hat mir jetzt erzählt, dass er das Rotkäppli nur hat ausrauben und ihre Großmutter.
That did.
Aber das habe ich gar
Did
nicht
you kill
wissen.
Faith?
What? Faith? Who's
The
that?
girl you were beaten on this morning.
No. I was here. I swear.
Doesn't look
Yeah,
good when a girl
weiß,
you're
das
just
ist
smacking
nicht
around shows up dead hours later.
She's dead? Bigby, listen,
Ja,
I'm
ich
a
weiß,
piece
du
of
bist
shit,
nicht.
okay? I know that. I hit that girl. I did. I shouldn't have, but I didn't kill her. You believe me, right?
Ja.
They're gonna string me up, Bigby. Like you said, it looks fucking bad. It looks really bad, but I didn't do it.
He was here. That's the fucking truth, Sheriff.
Ja, ist okay.
You see? Bigby, please. You can't. They'll throw me down the witching well. That's what they'll do. And I didn't do it. You know that.
Ja, ich weiß es halt, ich glaub's ja nicht.
Hey, stop! This isn't what I want.
Oh, shut the fuck up, Woody! Shit ain't just about you. It's about this fucking lapdog. When he comes sniffing around this part of town when the
Du
rich
hast
fucks
irgendwelche
in the
andere
woodlands need a
Probleme, hä?
shakedown. Ain't that right, Bigby?
Ja, voll.
You're backing the wrong guy. If you saw what I saw last night, you'd know that.
What I see is someone who wouldn't be here if I was the one needing the law for some help. Holly's sister goes missing. No one gives two shits about her. Paperwork, waiting rooms, and that bitch Snow White looking right past me, then ushering me out the fucking door.
I wouldn't call her that.
Also, Bitch macht mich hure
Before,
hässig.
and it doesn't end well.
I didn't realize you were the bitch of the bitch.
Nein, ich kann nicht wieder
Ah.
klicken.
Good.
Was ist er? Wer ist er? Keine Ahnung, von wo das er
Should
ist.
have walked out of here when you had the chance.
Oh,
Come on.
wow.
You're scaring the lady.
Don't worry about me.
Ach shit, was sind das für zwei? Ich kann's ja nicht. Come on. Ich glaube, ich sollte mich gar nicht erst wehren. Hat keine Werte. Oh. Ich kann gar nicht mehr machen. Chills, ey. Jö, gell. Woody, hilf mir. Komm, ich weiss, du bist es nicht gewesen. Au! Shit! Ich kann nicht, hast du noch ein Nasenloch mehr. Au, au. Woody, hilf mir doch. Oh oh. Ja, jetzt müsste ich schneller K.O. gehen, hä? Oh. Lass mich sein, Arschloch. Ich schaue nur, dass er an Stunden bleibt. Nein, jetzt hätte ich es beenden, ich Idiot. Jetzt hätte ich es beenden, hä? Nein, komm, ich mach nichts jetzt. Komm, chillen wir sie. Chillen wir sie. Weil oben hat es safe gestanden, jetzt ist jetzt spät. Ja, scheiße. Scheiße. Oh.